Gold features. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in slightly positive MACD. We did see it diverge. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we remain in negative MACD. We're still below the 200 moving average, this green line at price of $1,811.60. As with the daily chart, it appears to be approaching to negative MACD territory. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD. My trade position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $164.59. My sell target is at $170.03. My stop loss is at $162.69. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $171.59, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $166.53. My stop loss is at $173.57. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop the trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day, or week of trading, gold futures has a 44% chance to climb between 0 to 2%, 11% chance to climb between 2 to 4%. To the downside has a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2%, 11% chance to fall between negative 2 to negative 4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.